Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Apple Smart TV 8K for travel, the 2025 model. The Apple TV 4K Wi-Fi, 3rd generation. If you're someone who's constantly on the move and still wants the full power of Apple's entertainment ecosystem in your backpack, this compact but powerful streamer is your new best friend. Let's start with the core of what makes this travel-friendly marvel tick, the A15 Bionic chip. Yes, the same high-performance chip found in recent iPhones is powering this device. That means lightning-fast navigation, smooth app transitions, and seamless 4K streaming even in bandwidth-hungry hotel Wi-Fi conditions. No lag, no delays, just uninterrupted entertainment. Now, let's talk about display. You're getting up to 4K resolution with Dolby Vision and HDR10+. That means if you're checking into an Airbnb with a halfway decent TV or connecting it to a hotel display via HDMI, your shows, movies, and sports look stunningly real. Deep blacks, vibrant highlights, and colors that pop even on unfamiliar screens. This particular model comes with 64 GB of built-in storage and Wi-Fi connectivity. That's more than enough to store your favorite apps, media, and some offline content before you hit the road. It's also incredibly handy for travelers who don't want to rely on streaming everything live. And yes, there's a 128 GB version with Ethernet support, but for travel, the 64 GB Wi-Fi version hits the sweet spot in portability and simplicity. The Siri remote, included in the box, is sleek, rechargeable via USB-C, and equipped with a clickpad for precise control. Voice commands are fast and responsive, allowing you to search, play, and control your content just by speaking. Whether you're lying back on a beach chair or tucked into a cabin, Siri's got you covered. What's also great for travel is the seamless integration with other Apple devices. And let's not forget the ecosystem. Apple TV 4K supports Apple TV+, Netflix, and live TV apps, among others. Whether you're catching up on Ted Lasso, binging Stranger Things, or tuning into live sports while halfway across the globe, this device ensures you're always connected to your shows, no matter where you are. Another underrated feature, it supports Thread. So if you're traveling with smart devices or staying in a smart-enabled home, this little box plays nice with other smart accessories. That's future-proofing in a travel-sized package. It's portable, fast, smart, and stunningly crisp, and yes, it fits in your carry-on. So if you're a frequent traveler who refuses to compromise on entertainment quality, the Apple TV 4K Wi-Fi 3rd generation is the best Apple Smart TV 8K travel companion for 2025. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the latest tech essentials. See you on the next review, and happy streaming, wherever your travels take you.